If you want to glow up as a man as soon as possible, you've come to the right spot. I'm about to give you a no BS guide on how you can glow up in multiple areas. Make sure you take notes as everything I say will be important. Like and subscribe, and let's get into the first step. Step 0. Think. Think to yourself for a moment on why you're really trying to glow up and become a better version of yourself. The reason could be anything, literally. Who are we to judge? It could be because you want to look better and feel better in your own body, or it could be because you want to impress or look good for women, or it could be anything completely different. Anything is fine. Once you've figured out what the reason is you're trying to glow up, write it down somewhere and look back at it every once in a while to keep you motivated. Step 1. Skincare. As a man, there's a common misconception that using skincare products or having a skincare routine is feminine or unmasculine, but that is totally wrong. As a man, you want to look good in every aspect of your body, and that includes your face. The first thing people look at when they talk to someone is not their arms or their body, it's their face. So if your face has acne, or it's dry or oily, it's just going to make you seem more unhygienic and leave a bad first impression. So here's a morning and night skincare routine that I recommend. In the morning, you should start with some form of cleanser on your face. This will get rid of any dirt or oil from your face from when you were sleeping. Next, you will want to use a type of moisturizer. This will keep your skin hydrated throughout the day and stop your face from looking dry. Then you want to use any type of sunscreen to protect your skin during the day. Also, an added is that if you have eye bags or under your eyes are a darker colour, you should buy some eye repair cream, and this will help remove those eye bags. In the evening, you should use the same products you used in the morning, but don't use the sunscreen, as this time you won't be going outside in the sun. Instead, use any type of 2% BHA exfoliator. This will remove dead skin cells from the outer layer of your skin, and it will also unclog the pores in your face. All the products I use for my face will be in the description below if you want to go check them out. Step 2. Hygiene. As a man, it is important that you have good hygiene. Some people may believe that if you're going outside for a short time, you don't need to use deodorant or anything, as no one will care, but this is wrong. People are just nice enough to not tell you that you smell bad, but they will notice. So instead, what you need to do is, first, shower regularly. Make sure you're showering as much as you can, washing your whole body, not leaving anything out. 2. Using deodorant on your armpits and your balls, preferably a roll-on stick, as these are usually more healthy for your body than a spray is. 3. Use cologne that you like, not a cologne that someone else has recommended. You want to be yourself and stand out, not be like someone else and smell like someone else. Find something that smells good and stick to it. And 4. Try to always smell good. It doesn't matter if you're at home, outside, with a friend, just always smell good at all times. Step 3. Hairstyle. Picking a hairstyle is sometimes extremely difficult for a man, as you don't know what suits you best. But to determine this, look at the graph below and figure out what face shape you have. Once you figured out what your face shape is, go to Google and type hairstyles for your face shape, and this will give you some pretty good accurate results of hairstyles that would fit your head the best. As a man, you should keep your hair well groomed. If you have a fade or shorter hair, you should probably go to the barbers at least once a week. However, if you have longer hair, you should go at least once a month. As a man, you should be shampooing your hair at least 3 times a week, but wash it with water every day or use conditioner. Step 4. Facial hair. If you can grow a beard, let it grow. Having a beard will make you seem more masculine and more attractive. However, make sure you regularly groom it and keep it trimmed and well kept. But if you are unable to grow facial hair, or you can grow it but unable to make it look good, or it doesn't suit your face at all, then make sure you regularly shave your beard and face to keep it clean shaved. Being clean shaved is also an aesthetic look, just don't have scruffy half-grown beard hair all over your face. Either stick to a grown beard if you can, or clean shave if you can't. Simple as that. Step 5. Teeth. You should want to be brushing your teeth every day, in the morning and in the evening. Alongside that, be using mouthwash and also a tongue scraper to scrape the white stuff from the top of your tongue, as this is what usually causes bad breath. Make sure you have a pack of gum with you at all times, as this will keep your breath smelling nice throughout the day. If your teeth is yellow or stained from coffee or wine or anything like that, invest in some teeth whitening strips. These will use chemicals to bleach your teeth and get rid of any yellow stains your teeth may have. Step 6. Lips. Having crusty lips or dry lips is very annoying and will also look unattractive. To fix this, there's a simple solution. Just buy some Vaseline, any type of Vaseline, and make sure you're adding it whenever your lips begin to crust or become dry, and this will keep your lips looking fresh throughout the day. Step 7. Eyebrows. Just like any other hair in your body, you need to keep it clean. Eyebrows are no exception. If your eyebrows are too bushy, this could be a problem. Use clippers to trim your eyebrows or shave them down if you can't clip them. Also, if you have a monobrow or unibrow, make sure to get rid of this instantly. Having a monobrow or unibrow is one of the most unattractive things a man can have. Pause this video and shave it right now. And just like that, you've already boosted your attractiveness by 20%. Step 8. Workout/fitness. One major part of glowing up is building an aesthetic body and losing weight. This is done by working out and fitness. When you go to the gym, you want to focus on weightlifting training, but then also make sure to do some cardio here and there, as it is overall beneficial for your health. If you can afford a personal trainer, you should definitely buy one, as they will be able to tailor a workout plan and diet to your needs. However, if you can't afford one, just look on YouTube for the best exercises for each body part. I recommend doing an arms, back, chest, legs split. Also, on top of that, if you want broad shoulders to highlight the V-taper look, you need to make sure overhead press and pull-ups are definitely somewhere within your workout plan. Most people may have thought about going to the gym in the past, but never did. They never had the motivations, or they had other plans and just didn't go. You cannot have this mindset. You have to be focused on achieving your goals. You need to want to achieve your goals. Go to the gym or work out at home, either is fine. Either way, you will begin to see results, and overall the gym will make you feel better. Step 9. Diet. Diet is extremely important and ties in with workout and fitness. You need to be eating in a caloric deficit if you want to lose body fat. This is eating less calories than your maintenance calories. To check what your maintenance calories are, go to a calorie tracker, fill in all the info, then minus 500 from that. And there you go, that's how many calories you should eat in a day. Make sure you're eating a lot of protein, as this will help you build muscle as you lose weight. Also, if you want to gain weight, you should eat in a caloric surplus. Do the same thing as the deficit, but add 500 to 1000 calories onto what you eat normally, and this will help you reach your goals a lot faster. Step 10. Tracking. Make sure you're tracking every step of your progress. Install apps like MyFitnessPal. This will track your calories if you're on a diet or a bulk. Make sure you track your weight to see if you're on track with your goals. Also have a journal where you plan out your day in advance so you're more organized throughout the day. Tracking and planning are extremely important while trying to glow up, as they keep you organized at all time and make you less likely to quit or give up. Step 11. Style. Search on YouTube men's style. Look through the countless videos posted, and I guarantee you will find a style that you think looks good and best suits you. Anything from old money to streetwear, there will be something that piques your interest. Having a nice style will also make a huge difference in your confidence, and just by having a boosted confidence, it will automatically make you more attractive. Also make sure you are wearing accessories when you go out. A watch, a bracelet, a necklace, anything like that will also make you look more put together and more well put. Step 12. Sleeping. Getting a good night's sleep is extremely important. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. This will improve dark circles in your eyes, it will keep your hormone levels balanced, and it will also keep your energy levels high. Getting less sleep will lower your energy levels, give you eye bags and dark circles underneath your eyes, and will also make you more hungry during the night, and this will cause binge eating. To fix this, just get a good night's sleep every day, and you'll feel better throughout the day and be less hungry because of this. Step 13. Have some time to relax. Glowing up and becoming the best version of yourself should be the most important thing on your mind. It takes time to get results. Most people don't receive results instantly and get stressed out and quit because of this, but the journey takes time. Make sure you are doing other things to help you relax. Read a book, watch a TV show, play a sport with your friends, even playing a console. Just do anything to keep your stress levels low, as this will make you more likely to stick to your goals and actually achieve them instead of quitting. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped, and I hope you all achieved the goals you are looking for. Any products that I use myself will be linked down below in the description if you want to buy them. Make sure you like the video and subscribe for more informational guides on how to better yourself as a man. See you in the next video.